Hey everybody and welcome. Today's video, I'm kind of doing my normal skincare routine and then I incorporated the other item that I use about once or twice a month, which is my Dermaplaning. This little device is from Michael Todd Beauty. I did pick it up at SKINSTORE and I'm going to show y'all how I use it. I'm going to go through the skincare products that I have used. Y'all know I love skincare, so I'm constantly testing out, trying out different products, and so, you know, it's kind of like a little, this is how I do my skincare. And I did incorporate using my little Gosha tool, which I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. In my head I'm saying it right, but you know how it is. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, and today it's a little self-care, skincare, anti-aging, dermaplaning. Let's go ahead and jump on it. Okay, so the first thing I did this morning was wash my face. I washed everything off from the night before. I absolutely love my DRMTLGY Essential 11 Hydrating Cleanser. It is an anti-aging cleanser. I've talked about this in the past, and it's one that I really loved. Now, this is one where I can use this as like my second cleanse as well, and I just happen to grab it and use it in the morning. Typically, I don't necessarily always use it in the morning, but it does contain anti-aging peptide complex, and it does deliver bright, clear complexion. Code HOTMESS, I think, saves you like 20-25% over at DRMTLGY. I'll have it linked down below. You know, there's a lot of other products that I have talked about and I do enjoy. So my skin is ready to go. What I like to do for my dermaplaning is just use the Sonic Smooth. This is actually, it pops off and you can put new razors on there. You can pick some up at like Walgreens or Amazon or something like this, but what I love about this one is it has different vibrations and you can really get in there, and I feel like I get a closer like shave, if you will. This is by Michael Todd Beauty and I did get it from SKINSTORE, and it's like $74 and change because they have given me a coupon. It's not an affiliate code or anything. It's just HOTMESS, and it saves you 25% off a lot of things over at the SKINSTORE. So I use it a couple times and then you can just, you know, put a new razor on there. So I'm going to show y'all what I do as far as my razoring goes. So on my clean skin, I like to hit it 2 times for the vibration, and it's nice and it's soothing. Now if you want to put an oil on to do this, you can. I will do that sometimes, but I'm not going to today. So I just like to go in a downward type of motion, very lightly. You can see all like the hair and the dry skin. Do you see that? Yeah. So it's hair, peach fuzz, dry skin, all of that, and it's just so nice and smooth. Dermaplaning is going to help you when you're using your anti-aging products to get the most out of your products. I tend to do this probably every 3 weeks maybe. I mean, you can see it's probably been about 3.5 weeks, so I don't get a ton of peach fuzz, but I get enough that it does put a little bit of barrier in there. And what I notice is you can see just off that one, I'll like zoom in, hopefully you can see, but you can see the hairs on there, but you can also start to see the dry, flaky skin coming off. Now if you suffer from any type of adult acne or acne in general, one thing that my esthetician had told me is you're not sloughing off your skin enough. You know, of course we're using like glycolic acids and retinols and everything like that, but this really helps to just really remove that dead skin that's just sitting on top of the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I'll just fast forward y'all or whatever through this. so after that, I like to go in with my Tower 28 spray. And then I like to go in with my washable little sponges, and I'll just kind of press the Tower 28 spray in. And then of course it picks up anything left behind. From there, I like to go in with a couple different things. The first one I'm going to go in with is my SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic. Now, I'm going to give you another option if you're not liking the price range of this. I have used the Dermatology Vitamin C, their version of it. So that is an option if you are interested, and my code does work on the vitamin C serum that they have. This is just, in my opinion, more of a pharmaceutical grade where I've just noticed the biggest difference. But I have used the vitamin C and I do like theirs. So I like to just put it directly onto my skin. I know some people are wigged out by that. And then you just press it in and let your skin soak it up. I also do the backs of my hands. Vitamin C is going to help brighten your skin. I feel like it's really helped to not only brighten, but kind of help with any type of like scarring that I had. Now I know that I think it's more like niacinamides that really help with discoloration, but for me, I really love this. Needleless from Dermatology is also really good. That one I believe has niacinamide in there, and as well as hyaluronic acid. Now what I'm going to do, because you can see that my skin's got a little bit of an irritation to it, I do like to go in with my SkinCeuticals Photo Corrective Gel. Now this is like a calming gel, so you can see it's like a funny green color, and this is absolutely amazing for calming down your skin if you happen to get any type of like sunburn, which why were you not using a ton of your SPF, ma'am, sir? But go ahead, put that in, press it in all over. Don't be shy. This stuff is amazing, and I will put this on the backs of my hands as well. And pretty much anything that I put on my face, my neck, I put on my décolleté and the backs of my hands, just to help with the whole anti-aging process. Next up, I like to go in with my Clarins. This is the Total Eye Lift. I love, love, love this. It's just a tiny little bit on your ring fingers. Put that right underneath the eyes. And I like to just really massage it in very nicely, like softly. And get that orbital bone and really work it into your crow's feet. Now I like to go in with my Bloom Effects, because I am going to use my Gosha tool around my face a little bit. I can just feel like the allergies and the sinuses. So what I do is, that's actually a little too much, but it's fine because I'm going to work it down all over the place. So put a little bit in your hands, warm it up, then press it into your skin. Because I'm using my Gosha tool, sorry if I'm saying that incorrectly, what can I say? I try, but I still screw stuff up. I want a little bit extra just so I can get everything moving around with that tool. So next I'm going to just take my tool and I'm going to work around my jawline and down. You can do like a little jiggle if you want to help those lymph nodes. I also like to use my Bloom Effects with my NuFace device as well, but I really need to drain some of the lymph nodes. I haven't done this in a couple days, and I normally like to do it every morning and then in the evening, just to really help my sinuses. And then I always make sure to bring it back down. Make sure not to pull in your neck too much. back, and I like to end it back with the jaw and working on the neck again. The jaw and the neck. Okay, so once I've done my little gusher tool, then if there's any extra bloom effects on there, I just take my little washable pad and press it into the skin, pick up any excess, and then I'm going to go in with my Clarins. This is the extra firming cream, and it does have SPF in it. I'm going to apply a little bit of that. Now, if you have extremely oily skin, I don't know necessarily if you're going to want to use your bloom effects in the daytime. That may be something that you need more in the evening. Make sure to get your lids and under the eyes well, backs of the hands. And then I finish it off with my Wonder Beauty Lip Retreat Oil. I love this stuff so much. And a little bit of my Manicadar Lash Conditioning. And yes, I do put it on my lash extensions because they have lashes there too. Keep my natural lashes healthy. And that is my morning routine when I'm doing my dermaplaning. I hope you all found this video helpful. I will have all the products that I talked about listed and linked down below. If I have coupon codes for y'all, of course, I'm going to let y'all know about that as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. I know a lot of y'all have asked me, do I do the dermaplaning? How do I do it? How often do I do it? If you want to do it, like there's been times that I've done it twice in 1 month and it's worked fine for me. But I really feel like it kind of stepped up my game when I went in with this. I find that I nick myself less with the Michael Todd Beauty. This is the Sonic Smooth, and again, I just picked this up over at SKINSTORE. Absolutely love it. It is rechargeable, and the charge lasts a while on this as well. So, and you know, overall, I know that this may not be for everybody, but I really feel if you want to step up your game and you are having a little bit of issues with, you're noticing a little bit more congestion or what have you, I really feel that the dermaplaning is going to help you out a lot. I noticed that my breakouts are a lot fewer when I'm making sure to really exfoliate all the gunk off of my face. So anyways, friends, that is all for today's video. Give me a like if you enjoyed it, and give me ideas for other videos. I know this isn't the norm, but I thought I'd sprinkle it in. Don't forget to check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for plus size cover girl fashion hauls. I'm over on Instagram and TikTok at HOTMESSMOMMA4. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.